we must know is it's titled.
Yes, yun
Titled siya.
pinakatandaan.
It's similar somehow in a condominium certificate title. This one, meron din siyang title.
Lifetime ownership
Lifetime ownership
diba?
pa.
Hindi siya
Totoo.
yung after 50 years, hindi na sa'yo. So, it's lifetime, mapapamana pa talaga.
It will be a form of your estate, diba? For your future generations pa, diba?
But not only that, actually, there are a lot of or plenty of privileges that you can get. Like 30 nights.
30
diba?
nights per year as a hotel unit investor. Diba? Pwede kang mag-stay.
So you can spend all the 30 nights here in Savoy Hotel, and 7 of those pwede sa other
Hotel
Megaworld
properties, yes.
hotels.
Yes,
Yes, diba?
So kung kailangan mo pumunta ng Naiya,
Oh.
diba? May Savoy Manila. If
Yes, you can stay na
Yes,
there.
if you need to go to Boracay naman or you want to relax in Boracay, may Savoy Hotel Boracay then that you can also use for your privilege. And at the same time, discounts. Grabe.
Correct.
50% discounts.
Totoo yan.
Diba? 50% discount tayo sa lahat ng
Mga food and
Food,
alcoholic
alcoholic,
beverages.
yes.
Since meron tayong spa, you could avail also discount sa spa. And even sa airport transfers.
Transfers.
Diba?
Yes.
And yun nga, ano pa kasi yung mga privileges na meron tayo?
like may year-round complimentary use ng gym. So for all the unit investors dito, pwede nilang magamit yung gym, 10% sa mga airport transfers, ganyan. So, ang dami. Then, privileges, assignable. So, if they have family or friends na kakailanganin ang hotel, ayan, they can assign it naman.
That's a good thing, no? Kasi you can assign it. Especially yung mga investors natin, of course. If they are traveling, di ba? They are used to travel from business meetings here,
Totoo.
there.
Yeah.
And then, of course, kasama yung family, most of the time. Kasi yun yung trabaho nila, di ba? So, you can assign to their families.
Family.
Para masulit din yung investment.
Yeah.
Tsaka furthermore, actually, di ba, syempre, 374 units yan. Let's say you have unit in 8th floor, ganyan. Tapos, it happened yung unit mo is occupied. So what will happen? Di ba pwede ka naman mag-transfer
Yes.
to another unit if
Yes,
you
they
want
can
to.
upgrade it.
Yeah. No, I mean, kung gusto mong mag-stay, ganyan, kung gusto mong i-enjoy yung 30 nights, di ba? Pwede ka i-enjoy na to other units. Hindi lang ka-limited dun sa unit meron ka.
Yes. So parang you are a hotel unit investor, owner, pero it's not limited to the unit na binili mo.
Oo, tama.
Kasi whatever unit na available for you, syempre yun yung ibibigay at the time na kailangan mo. Kasi parang not only here in Capital Town Pampanga, pero in Savoy Hotel Manila or other Megaworld properties. So parang hindi ka malilimit dun sa binili mo na property. You really enjoy the whole project.
Tama.
Yes.
I definitely agree with you.